On this short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps. Click on Facebook like this and then click on force stop. After that, go down here until you find the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details, go to the power consumption alert, disable it and enable it back, and then go down here. You will find this force stop. As you can see, click on it to stop all the power analysis from running. After that, go back, and now all what you want to do is click on the permissions right here. Make sure that every permission here is enabled, and then go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the Wi-Fi, disable it like this and enable it back. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.